Turning one into $1 million in just 12 months sounds like a dream, but it's possible with the right approach, mindset, and actionable plan. The first step is selecting a high growth business model with potential for scaling quickly. Best options for 2025 include e commerce dropshipping, affiliate marketing, digital products, and freelancing or consulting. Once you've chosen a business model, the next step is driving traffic. Marketing is crucial for revenue generation. Key strategies include paid advertising, SEO, email marketing, and social media marketing. To turn revenue into $1 million, focus on automation and scaling by using tools, outsourcing tasks, and reinvesting profits. Automation tools can handle email marketing, customer service, and order fulfillment, freeing your time. Consistently track key metrics like sales, profit margins, and customer acquisition costs to stay on track. A/B testing and customer feedback are essential for improving your offerings and ensuring success. Reinvest profits into your business to fuel growth, stay disciplined, and adapt your strategies as needed. Making $1 million in 12 months is possible with the right business model, marketing, and automation. Focus on your formula.